Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World, and the family's right behind me. We're here at a apple farm in Rogers City, Michigan, and I guess there's some cool things, foods and different drinks and donuts, pizzas, and apples. You can pick your own apples, and we're gonna check it out. Some other family members told us about it last weekend, and it's interesting to see how short the trees actually are for easy picking. Might even get some apples today. Here, look at how short those trees are. Michelle, stand right there real quick. I want to show how short those trees are. That one's loaded with apples, ready for the pickings. Right here, stand right here, right by that sign. Look at that, even you can pick those apples. Huh? Isn't that convenient? Huh?
So cool.
Well, there's a playground and petting zoo, horseshoes, cornhole, wagon ride, barrel train, bakery, gift shop, pizza, hard cider, bathrooms, apples and cider, pumpkin patch. There's the pizza ovens. It's really interesting watching how he does it and how he cooks with that. I have a book on making one, and I still want to do it one day. Actually, sooner than later, because now I have a supply of bricks and clay that I can access. Little bits of wood. I'm not going to record the guy so much, but I'm watching how he's cooking the pizza and how he's feeding the fire. It's pretty cool. The fire's in the back and they cook in the front. Well, we've walked around back and forth, round and round between all the buildings looking for where to go to get started. And after we finally asked around, I now found the sign. Please visit the main barn. If that had been standing, it would have helped a lot. But here we are, entering the apple fields, orchards. We're gonna pick some apples. That is a beautiful little tree. Michelle picked her own apples. Not off the ground though. I don't know what she's doing. She's climbing into the tree. But that is so neat. That's how I would like my orchard to be one day. Beautiful apples. Grab it.
Grab it. One, two.
Oh no, you're breaking the whole... What?
She's so afraid to pick it up.
There's these long rows. There's the farmhouse way back there.
Oh yeah.
We went all the way down to look for the best of the best near the end of the rows. Beautiful day for this.
It's so heavy.
Look at this.
We gotta climb.
It's amazing. It's almost 50 degrees, I think, today.
Hi guys, I'm over here.
The girls.
Hi guys.
There's Michelle. There's a Michelle tree.
Oh, that's so huge.
That's a Michelle tree.
Hold this, hold this. Look how big is that.
Look at that. Oh, wow. That's a ginormous apple for that tiny little tree. Michelle, that's as big as you. Hold it up to your face. That's gigantic, that apple. There's a friendly goat. Goats actually look like they're smiling. They're such happy animals.
Food, huh?
Yeah, they're asking for food.
Look at that.
They're watching our apples.
Yeah.
They want food.
Little llamas. So we got here a little bit of a petting zoo. We got some kids' activities, different props and things to play with. Pirates. Michelle. There is the most unique use of a grain trailer I've ever seen. That is really a cool idea. Huh. It's so little too. Oh, there's a pumpkin patch. I think it's pretty late for pumpkins. But that was a pumpkin patch. Yep, they're gonna try this. And it comes right back out. How cool is that? Melanie needs a bit of practice. Oh, thought that was going in. Can you throw it that hard, Michelle? Well, you got it in a bin. Well, we just had a challenge game, which I did not record because I would have been horribly embarrassed, but I did eventually win.
I won.
Where'd she go?
Fast. Pick up your camera. Hey, you made it.
Well, you look small up there. Wow.
Stand up. We're gonna take a photo. Take a photo.
I got a good video. I can get you a clip from this.
Woo! It's a horse.
You're a horse.
Okay, go here.
Now you're a sheep.
What is this?
That's a pig.
Okay, I'm gonna be a pig.
All right, so you ate too much.
Go to the horse.
You're a horse. And a little bit of food fun after. They got apple crisp with ice cream. Good stuff, huh? I'm gonna break my diet today. Hopefully it won't kill me in one day.
Daddy, do you want to break it down?
Oh no. And now we're gonna spend some time and enjoy the sun on the beach. See if we can find some good stones. There's a lot here. See what we can find. Just instantly where I stopped, you can see there's some very pretty crystal-filled fossils. And there's another one right here, a bit of a horn coral inside the rock. And here's another piece of a fossil. Just, I mean, right where I stopped. It's just loaded. Actually, there's a quarry right there. I believe that's a limestone quarry. So we're not, what are we, 45 minutes from Alpena, where there's another quarry. So the possibility of finding fossils here is very high. The fossils here are a lot different from over in Alpena. I really hope that shows. These are filled with crystals. The fossils here are, I hope that shows up. They just sparkle and glitter. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's really sparkly. It's all full of crystals. I like it. And at another beach. The sun is setting, the colors are getting pretty. Michelle, what did you say you are? You're what now? Charged. Charged.
No, I'm energized.
Energized. She's energized. She's got a lot of sugar.
I'm energized up.
Yeah, look at her go. Don't you miss those days? Been able to do that? Well, we're gonna look for, sometimes we find some beautiful colors here. She's just burn it out, burn it all out. Sometimes there's some pretty colors here. I'm going to take a piece of wood in the wood shop, square, 4 inches square, and I'm gonna router out a section. And then I'm gonna take fossils and colored stones I find here, put them in and fill it with epoxy. So I'm looking specifically for very small and colored stones here. And right in there is where I'll find them. And they're removed from this area. If I didn't like what I saw, I let the water wash out and change, and I got a nice little bag full of some little stones for making coffee coasters. Oh, there's a pretty one right there. Most of what I was getting was tiny though. That's just gonna be nice when it's wet anyway though. But I was looking for pieces like this size with any nice pretty colors or patterns for my coffee coasters. And when I do them, I'll do them on video. Well, that's the end for this day. The sun is setting and it got cold, but there is a beautiful scene and colors on the horizon and a good time and background to saying goodbye and good night. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't. I got a lot of cool stuff to come. We gotta go home. Talk to you later.